Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term Wagner Whitin. It is a order management has been defined as a planning, directing, monitoring, and controlling of the processes related to customer order, manufacturing order, and purchase order. In all the cases, a decision policy or set of rules for lot sizes is established in order to determine the parameter related to an order. In general, lot sizing involves the determination of the size of the order or order quantity and the timing of such decision to satisfy the requirements of demand over a defined future horizon. Currently, many organizations attempt to satisfy the needs of the customer using complex enterprise resource planning system (ERP) or advanced planning scheduling system (APS). However, from an optimization perspective, this system lack the required feature to provide recommendations that meet management's two objectives. Most systems arbitrarily fix planning parameters such as lot size, lead time, and safety stock without much of analysis. The reality is that ERP and APS system require these important parameters as input, and once they are provided, they are rarely validated. The operation of this planning system requires these input parameters, and it is up to the production planners to set up them. This is particularly true for the process of determining lot sizes. Dissatisfied with the square root formula to find the economic lot size under the assumption of steady state, that is constant demand, Wagner and Whitin developed an elegant forward algorithm based on a dynamic programming principles to make optimal lot size decisions. The problem considered by Wagner and Whitin is n periods problem with no back order when the assumption of constant demand is dropped. That is, when the amounts demanded in each period are known but are different, and furthermore when inventory costs vary from period to period. Their model formulation permits the determination of optimal lot sizes for a single item when demand, inventory holding charges, and setup costs vary over n periods of time. The solution provided by Wagner and Whitin algorithm is considered the benchmark or standard against which other lot sizing rule or heuristics are judged. Thanks for watching. Bye.